Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to download a file. Okay, how to download the file? There are multiple ways we can able to download. See here, there is a files. Okay, list of you can able to do for PNG. You can able to do for PDF or temporary files. They are given some list of files from here. You can able to use and download for required file for you. Okay. This is like you can click, right? Once you click, automatically the download will happen. Okay, this kind of operation we can able to do by clicking. There are some other formats. When you click, right, automatic, sorry, automatically it will navigate into next location. Next location is nothing but next tab, and then there is a save. There are two different kind of operation. I'm going to show in this particular video. When you click, automatically it will download here. Okay. Now I went to this particular page. Okay. Then I'm going to clicking for this page. I'm taking the path of this. Okay. Double forwards. X path I'm creating. Okay. Okay. My value is identified. Then I'm going to use before using this but one there is a method called download. Okay. And here you can use for download and page dot wait for download. Okay. And here I'm creating for a function, two curly braces. For this curly brace, I'm going to closing. Okay. Here I can use for page dot a click, and I'm passing for directly my path. Okay. Then I'm going to store. I want to display where it is saved. Okay. D download dot path dot to string. Okay. This will display where exactly it will download the path. Okay. I'm going to print this particular path where exactly it's stored. Okay. Now I'll run and see whether it will download or not. Okay. Hmm. Sorry. See, it is downloaded. Okay. When I see here, the path it is showing for temporary location. Where exactly it is temporary file it is storing, right? That location it is showing. E- Even it is not coming from here. This is a PNG which I showed that. Now I downloaded for PDF, but the PDF is not come and store here. Right? Now it is stored into temporary, but I want to download that particular file into my this particular location. 1 minute, I'm getting hiccups continuously. I'll holding this one. 1 minute. Sorry. Now it is the file it is stored into a temporary location, but I don't want to store into a temporary location, but I want to store into my project location. Okay, how to do this one? Okay, this particular case time, right? What you can able to do here, we can able to create the folder and then we can store that particular file into in this location. Okay, now how we can able to do? For that, we have a method called a path. Okay, a path, and we can provide for project directory for identification purpose. Okay, now here there is a pass dot get. Okay, for here we can able to use for system dot get properties. Okay, here we need to pass for user directory, user dot directory. This will give you for exactly where the file like project directory location it will provide you. Okay, once it is provided, we need to save the file. Okay, save path. Where exactly we need to save the path, we need to provide the project directory inside that, right? I'm using for directory dot. Okay, resolve. Resolve is basically it will resolve in case if there is no folder which is folders, then it will create, otherwise it will not create. If it is there, it will not create. If it is there, sorry, if it is not there, it will create. If it is there, it will not create. Okay, then we can able to provide a save pdf. Okay, I'm providing the name of that as a save pdf. Okay, that is the one I specified. Then there is a method called download dot save path. Okay, save path we are passing and we are saving the path. If you want to see the path whether it is presented or not, you can able to use that is a path as well. Save path dot to string. Okay, now I'm going to run. Now it is clicked and saved, and I'm closing this one. Now you can see two paths. Previous is temporary file. Then you can able to see this is a folder location, the downloaded folder and save PDF. It is presented. But if you see here, there is no. But you have to refresh it. Now you can see the folder it is presented. You can see save PDF. Okay, like this even you can use for PNG or you can use for text file, whatever it is. You can able to use and you can able to download and save into in this location. Okay, there is another scenario which is like when you click, right, automatically it will navigate into another page and there you can able to download the file. Okay, and I'll show this example and here you can able to see, right, in this location it will come and if you click the download then only it will download, it will give the pop-up as a save and then you need to click and save the file. Okay, sometimes what will happen, it will open new folder without clicking at this one, automatically there is a pop-up will comes. Okay, in that also you need to click on the save the file. Okay, this I'm giving for you a homework type. Okay, you can try with this particular section. Okay, if you are able to do it, right. Okay, if you are not able to do it and put on the comment, I will make you for that particular video. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.